Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Zerion Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Zerion Wallet app on your device and then you will be asked to log in using your biometrics or your passcode. Just type in either your passcode or use your biometric to log in, and once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page where you can see all of your wallet. Now from this home page, in order to change your currency, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner and you will end up on the settings menu. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on preferences. Then from this menu, you will be able to find the currency option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be able to choose from various different currencies, which also includes crypto. Just choose your desired currency and then when you go back, you will find that your selected currency has been applied to your wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Zerion Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.